How to register a company in the Netherlands. Registering a company in the Netherlands involves several steps, including the following. Choose your business structure. The first step in registering a company in the Netherlands is to decide on the structure of your business. The most common types of business structures in the Netherlands are sole proprietorship, partnership, private limited company, BV, and public limited company, NV. Choose a company name. Once you have decided on the structure of your business, you will need to choose a name for your company. Your company name must be unique and not already registered in the Netherlands. Register with the Dutch Chamber of Commerce. All businesses in the Netherlands must register with the Dutch Chamber of Commerce, KVK. You can do this online at kvk.nl. You will need to provide information about your business, including your chosen business structure, company name, and address. Register for taxes. Depending on the type of business you are running, you may need to register for taxes with the Dutch Tax and Custom Administration. You can do this online at belastingdienst.nl. Open a business bank account. You will need to open a business bank account in the Netherlands in order to conduct business transactions. Obtain any necessary permits or licenses. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to obtain permits or licenses from the relevant authorities in the Netherlands. Complying with Dutch labor laws. If you plan to hire employees in the Netherlands, you will need to comply with Dutch labor laws and regulations. Note that the process of registering a company in the Netherlands can be complex, and it may be helpful to seek the advice of a professional, such as an accountant or lawyer, to ensure that you are complying with all necessary requirements. In the Netherlands, taxes are levied by the national government, local municipalities, and provincial governments. The main types of taxes in the Netherlands are income tax, value-added tax, VAT, corporate tax, and municipal taxes. Income tax. Income tax is paid by individuals on their income earned in the Netherlands. The income tax system is progressive, meaning that the more income you earn, the higher your tax rate will be. In addition to income tax, employees also pay social security contributions, which are used to fund the Dutch social security system. Value-added tax, VAT. VAT is a tax on the value added to goods and services at each stage of production and distribution. In the Netherlands, the standard VAT rate is 21%, with reduced rates of 9% and 0% for certain goods and services. Corporate tax. Corporate tax is paid by companies on their profits earned in the Netherlands. The corporate tax rate in the Netherlands is 25% for profits up to 245,000 and 21.7% for profits above that. Municipal taxes. Municipalities in the Netherlands also levy taxes, including property tax, waste disposal tax, and water authority tax. Overall, the Dutch tax system is known for being relatively complex and high compared to other countries. But it is also funds a robust welfare state that provides healthcare, education, and other social services to its citizens. You can apply conveniently for you by sending an email through messengers, our social networks, from our websites, or by phone. In case you have any extra questions, don't hesitate to contact us 24 hours, 7 days a week. You can find out more information about offshore, onshore, or midshore zones during a personal consultation with our manager. All information and contact details you can find below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to be informed about all the interesting news and details in the fintech world.